Okay guys, let's quickly do a quick grocery haul. Okay guys, this is what I got as far as cleaning products. Multi-purpose thick bleach, JS brand. Yeah, I just decided let me buy this. This was, I think it was 20 something rand, while the Hapik was 40 something rand. So you know, to say Mr. Marcel daily shower cleaner, I've never used it, but I just want to try it and see if it will make magic. This Mr. Sheen Oxy a brick stain remover. Yeah, first time I'm trying it. It's quite cheaper comparing to what is it, the one I like to use, Finish is 80 something rand, which does the same thing, and this one was 40 something rand, half price. So let's see how it will help. This is also Mr. Sheen Oxy Ultra Watch Stain Remover. I got these plastics, kitchen bean bag plastics. Got 2 of them. Guys, I've got new products that I just want to try on and see if it will actually work, especially when it comes to stain remover. I will always be trying new things. This is also Buffalo Borax. Please do write in the comment section if you have used some of these things. Removes red wine and other fabric stains. It freshens musty towels. This is rim block refills. I got this teaspoons, mainly to put them on my canister, my tea and coffee canister, just for them to sit inside. I think I'm mixing everything up now. Okay, got bicarbonate of soda. Got these 2 Sunlight Original bar soap, 4 of them. Just got this Vaseline. Okay, this is a leather cream, guys. Haven't used it, first time, and it was quite reasonable. Usually when you go to a furniture shop to buy leather creams, they are very pricey, so I said let me try this on. Love Windolin. This was 3, I'm not sure, but it was, I'll write it down how much was it. So I took 3 because of the special it was on. Epsom salt. And I got Comfort. It was also going for 2 for a cheaper price, which I'll write it down if you're interested to know. But I think I did show on the video, you guys will see. And these guys, this Plush Instant Shine Polish, yo. Like, I've been struggling with my daughter since grade 1. She just doesn't want to do her shoes, so I've made things easy for her. She just, this is easy. You just put it on. Let me just open it for you guys. So this is how it is. You just put it around your shoe and your shoes are instantly shiny. Oh, I must say, she's still lazy to do her shoes, even because this is the second time I'm buying this. But I won't say that her shoes are always looking shiny in school. Guys, I'm tired. I think the time to tell her everything has passed now. She's 15 years old. And then this is Mr. Sheen multi-surface daily cleaner potpourri. Love it. Got this Johnson for our little man in the house. Okay, these are kitchen sponges. Okay, I bought MAC dish liquid. I still have so much sunlight liquid. I did buy in bulk last time, so I still have, but I bought only for this, guys. In my sink, you've seen what I'm using. I'm using some nice dispenser to put my soap there, but sometimes when I'm cleaning other places, I don't have something to use, so I bought the bottle just to refill. And I got a MAC. I think it's the second time I'm buying MAC. I was using the Wave. I was not really happy with the Wave, if I must just tell you the honest truth. I watched one load of my son's things, and yeah, I was not happy with the results at all. So I bought MAC again. It's not that I would buy again, just I think it was on sale, or no, but it was a good price, so I decided, let me just buy MAC. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna move all these cleaning things now. I'm just gonna, it's a mini grocery haul. Okay, guys, I got strawberries. This is my son's favorite fruit, so it's already open. This was, I think, 100 rand for this box. Strawberries are quite pricey, guys, this side, but we'll forever buy them. Because someone really loves strawberries in this house. I used to love so much strawberries when I was pregnant, so maybe that's why. And then fish fingers, guys. Chicken burgers, crumbed chicken burger patties. Got puff pastry. 3 puff pastry. Got a masi. I actually went to buy a masi and chicken because I want to make biryani tomorrow. Then got cucumber. Got these little mini collectibles. I don't know what is it inside, guys. I have no idea. Collect all 24 minis. Okay. I have no idea what's the benefit of collecting all of this. Seriously. You please write, guys, on the comment section if any one of you know. Got this lettuce. Golden apples. Mini cabbage, the red and the green one. Okay, this is cauliflower, broccoli, fresh cream, bananas, avocados. Today is Thursday, guys, so I'm making truffle tomorrow for Juma. So I bought this fruit salad in a tin. Got this Swiss roll. Got it cheap. I don't know what is cheap, but I don't think this is a normal price. Let me see. Sell by 7. So today is the 4th, I think. Yeah, got this Swiss roll for the trifle tomorrow. More little shopper. 3 mini collectibles. Got tomato, guys. I did say before, I love this kind of tomatoes, the long one. I'll get a name for you guys. This one can last, I don't know for how long in the fridge, other than your normal round tomatoes. I've said that before. So yeah, I bought these. I usually used to buy a box of tomatoes, but I have to grind it and freeze it. If I don't do that, then it will usually just get rotten in the fridge. I think that's it, guys. I also got chicken, which I've already opened it to use. I have chicken. This is a tray of chicken, which was 79 rand 19. Only got one. I just opened this one to use because it was not frozen and I needed to use chicken like urgently because I was late for my cooking. I'm sharing extra things. This is what I bought from this other local lady where we buy our halal things. So these are, yeah, so I got two of these mini sausage, mini Viennas. These are mini Viennas. Okay, so today I just decided, let me just go buy her chicken. Yeah, I used to buy her chicken always before. Then I stopped because the taste was not according to my liking. But I've recently bought chicken and I did like it again. Maybe I just got tired of the taste of her chicken. And I was starting to buy Checkers. Now I'm a bit tired of Checkers chicken. So now, yeah, I'm buying both. It's either I'm buying by her house or I buy at Checkers. So this is how much she sells her chicken. This is 70.99. Yeah, guys, this is full chicken. Which is I think these are how many? I don't know. I do think that Checkers is cheaper than her. But you know what? Yeah. I see where I buy, really. It doesn't matter. But when I say Checkers is cheaper than her, maybe the difference is 10 rand, not more than 10 rand. Yeah, so it depends. And the nice part with her chicken is that the skin is already out. Chicken is partly clean. Other than this, I have to like really work hard on taking out the skin because we don't eat our meat with skin. We don't eat our chicken with the skin. So I've got 3 trays by head. These are full chicken, but excluding your neck, the feet, and the livers. Yeah, and the liver. Yeah, so this was 68 rand 14 cents. Guys, I'm sorry I have flu. And this was 64 rand 46. So it just depends with the kilo, really. Yeah, but it's all full chicken. And the last thing that I got from her, it's this United Polony. Yeah, guys, that's it. This is how far my grocery haul went. It's a mini grocery haul. Just a few things that I needed. So guys, I ordered this kitchen mats. I was so disappointed. From the picture, it looks big. And yeah, it's so small. I don't like such small size kitchen mats. I thought it was big. You see, this is what I use in my kitchen. And I like it must be comfortable also because my son likes to come and sit there while I'm cooking. So that's like his chilling place to sit while I cook. So guys, I'm just quickly marinating biryani for tomorrow, which tomorrow would be Friday in this video. Yeah, so I'm just quickly going to do that with you guys, and thank you so much for watching. If it's your first time, please do not forget to subscribe, guys. I normally don't do grocery hauls because we clean this house. Yeah, whenever things there's time where we really buy in bulk, let me just say like that, and then normally we'll just buy weekly. Yeah, unless I myself, the woman of the house, really see the need to go out and buy like proper things, because my husband happens to work near a grocery shop. I won't mention it, but a big one of the big supermarket. So usually just I send in a list, please bring this, please bring that. Yeah, and to my ladies who are married to this nation, they will get it that they like to do everything. If it was for them, we will just sit and do nothing. Probably we'll just cook for them because they like that. Yeah, but yeah, so I normally don't go to buy grocery, yeah, but I do buy now and then, especially when I'm preparing for Juma. I usually prefer to go myself and check, and sometimes just change on the dessert. There's some quick things I can get in a grocery shop that I need to go myself and see, okay, let me try this time. Yeah, anyway guys, thank you so much for clicking in to watch this video. I will see you on my next upload. I'm not sure when I'm uploading this video, whether I must upload it today. I have been so lazy to edit. I have been so lazy, guys. My phone is always full of content that needs to be edited, but I'm just so lazy, especially for my cooking channel. Oh my god, guys, I cook like what you have seen me doing before, in like when I started this channel. I still cook a lot in this house. We still cook. We still, I'm still big in cooking in the kitchen, but it's get tricky to do both. And usually when I cook, I'm in a hurry, and guys, doing both channels, it's not easy, but I want to put more effort in my cooking channel, because I really do think a cooking channel is more of an investment than a cleaning channel. Because cooking channel, there's just times where people will always go. For example, during Christmas time, during December, cooking channels during December, that's the only time I think we make something, and it doesn't matter how old your videos are. Yeah, so yeah, that's the reason I said, you know what, let me not mix it up. Let me just separate my channel, since I did like that. But I feel like I'm lacking too much in my cooking channel, and I'm just lacking too much even on Instagram. Yeah, like it's too much work to do a cooking channel or a page. When I say like that, I can cook, right, finish cooking, but guys, taking the pictures after that, taking the pictures, setting out your place to dish up, and getting a proper picture, because they say you eat with your eyes first before you even come and watch my video. You need to have seen my thumbnail, that okay, let me go check out what is this. That's time consuming. Okay guys, bye bye, thank you for watching.